Hello, hello, hello.
Hi, what's your name?
Desiree,
What cabin are you in?
G8C,
Where are you from?
New Haven, Connecticut.
How many years have you been to Holiday Hill?
This is my second year.
What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Hi, Jack. What's your name?
It's Jack.
What cabin are you in?
B7A.
Where are you from?
Watertown, Connecticut.
How many years have you been at Holiday Hill?
Twee.
What are you looking forward to this summer at Holiday Hill?
The Holiday Hill Olympics.
What is your favorite color?
Neon green.
Hello. What is your name?
My name is Patricia.
What do you teach?
Arts and crafts.
Cool. Hello. What is your name?
Bree,
What do you teach?
ceramics.
Cool.